Not even 100 years ago, these clear, cool waters would have been teeming with salmon, making their way upstream to spawn, but things are a bit different today. See, after record-breakingly dismal salmon return this summer all along the Cascadian coast, projections for these coming winter returns followed suit with Coho, Chum and Sockeye as lower below average and wild Chinook in a state of concern, meaning that they're almost non-existent. On top of all that, recent heavy rains combined with decades of poor land management has led to some horrific landslides and flooding, which has not only taken out roads and homes, but makes it that much more difficult for these salmon to make their way upstream. There are reports of salmon crossing flooded roadways, becoming stranded in people's backyards, and heavy floodwaters have washed away any existing redds or salmon nests, which is going to have a huge impact on salmon returns in the coming years. With their numbers already so low, there is very little buffer left for these populations to endure before collapsing entirely, and as a foundational species, this is kind of a big deal, because if they go, then all of this goes. It may not be as tangible of a tragedy as those immediately affected by recent storms, but without salmon, all of these ecosystems will collapse, so it's imperative that we do all that we can to restore and rehabilitate not only their populations, but these ecosystems for a better world in the future.